Hello guys, Gary here. Today I'm showing you how to make an intra-workout energy drink, which looks like mother's milk. And if the workout takes more than 1 hour, then it's very important to supply body with energy, because anyway nobody will watch this video what I'm recording, but I like to snip between exercises this drink, and when I'm moving to some other machines or exercises or other muscle groups, and this gives me noticeable energy. Like normally I'm without the drink, I'm just doing and I cannot push harder, but with this drink at the last set I still have energy, and I can really control the weight and push it out. And I found that scientific research papers and showed combined carbohydrate and amino acids reducing muscle protein breakdown and increasing anabolic muscle building states. So here's the recipe. You have to take 2 portions of maltodextrin. This is a white powder, which actually is a sugar, but not taste sweet, just a little sweet. And mix this with 1 portion of whey isolate or whey protein. So this is like 36 gram of maltodextrin in my case this time, and I added about 10 gram of whey isolate. Then after that add the scoop of electrolyte, which is important to keep the body electro balance. This contains sucralose, which is artificial sweetener, plus I believe some apple aroma. Then mix the whole thing up with 600 milliliter of water. That's why I didn't calculate it for 1 liter, because I have never drink 1 liter of water during the workout. But I leave below this video you will find a calculation for 1 liter if you want to mix like that.